Now, I'd like to give you a topic and also provide you a sample answer for the part 2 of your speaking test. So the main topic here is describe a big city you would like to visit. You should say which big city you would like to visit, how you would travel there, what you would do there, and explain why you would like to visit this big city. Okay, I will visit the capital city of China. I really like this city for many reasons. One of the top reasons is I have completed my study in there. So obviously I have a lot of memories is embedded with this city. By the way, I think the most convenient way to travel this city is by air. I need to take China Eastern Airlines from my city here in Dhaka and need to travel to Kunming, and there is a transit there. And from there, I need to travel for about 3 hours to reach the capital city of China. And as soon as I reach there, obviously I will have a lot of things to do. The first thing I would like to do is to meet my teachers and my professors because they took care of me a lot. I have a lot of memories and a lot of things to learn from them. So, of course, I will meet with them. On top of that, if I find any friends in there, I will not miss this opportunity to meet with them. The city has a lot of tourist attractions within itself and just outskirts of it. Within the city, there is a huge museum which is called the Military Museum. I think this is the most prominent tourist attraction of the city. This is so giant, in my opinion, it can be the largest military museum in the world. There are hundreds of thousands of specimens have been demonstrated in there dated back from 10,000 years to till date. This is so fascinating to observe everything from very close. And I really feel that how they conducted war and how they really worked hard for the defense of China. And just outskirts of the city, there is Great Wall of China. So I think it just take 20 minutes time by bus to go in there. And when I will go to see the Great Wall of China, I'll have a great opportunity to meet people from all around the world. They come here, they share their views. The environment is so vivid that I will really enjoy it. I really like this city for many reasons. One of the top reasons is this is very convenient to travel from one place to the another. I think if I just spend about 2 RMB, I can travel anywhere within the city by metro rail. On top of that, I will have a chance to visit by bus as well, which is very convenient and it moves very fast. So I can go from one place to the another very conveniently. And I think it's the last but not the least. I would not miss Chinese food. Chinese food has reputation all over the world, and I am also a great fan of it. I'm so fascinated to smell the food. I really like the taste of it. I think it's not just about the taste itself. I think it has much more value. For example, the nutritional value is extravagant in compared to any other food, particularly food from our Indian subcontinent.